What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your Genesis more aggressive for basically free. All you need is the tools to do it. Also, last video I briefly mentioned my new shift knob setup. It wasn't complete last video, but now it is. It's a little adapter piece, and you can screw on basically any manual style shift knob as long as it has the right thread pitch. So this looks really nice. I think this looks way better than my old knob. I still have my old knob. This is what the old one looked like. And it works the same way as before. I just push down on it to shift. So it works the same, looks a lot better. I'm super happy with it. If you guys want a video on how to do that whole setup, please let me know. I'll make a video for you guys. But I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly what we're gonna be doing today. All right, so you can only really do this for the 2.0 Ts because if you do it on the 3.8, it might look a little stupid because 3.8s don't have intercoolers. So what we're gonna be doing is we're just gonna be removing this whole entire bottom grill section to expose the intercooler core, which will look pretty cool in my opinion. And then I don't know yet, but I might be just taking the fog lights out completely, so there's just like an air duct there, because I think it looks kind of cool. But before we get started on that, we're gonna have to remove the front bumper first, and there is a screw under here on both sides, and then there are some pins up top under the hood that you have to get off, and then you have to undo your under tray, and then that's it. All right, so I got the front bumper off and I went ahead and removed a bunch of stuff, including those, because these were like cheapy Wish HID kits or something that the last person who had this car installed. And I just finally decided to remove them because my fog lights keep going in and out, and I'm guessing it's because of these garbage HID kits. So I'm just gonna remove the fog lights because I'm tired of having problems. If I ever reinstall them, I will just have the arc LEDs, the arc running lights. I won't have actual fog lights. So but yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and remove them and just give like a whole like skeletonized front end, because I think that would look a lot meaner. But removing this stuff is pretty easy. It's just a bunch of Phillips head screws and clips. So this shouldn't take any longer than like 10 minutes. All right, and there it is. I think that looks way cooler in my opinion. I think I'm gonna do some sort of air duct here that leads to the brakes or something at some point, but we'll see. But I think this car looks way better now that the intercooler is sticking out and the bottom grille is just kind of ugly anyways, so to have that gone is a nice change. But seriously, there's like clips all along the actual grill piece itself, and then there's like a bunch of clips in the bumper. It's like they really wanted that thing to stay on. The fog lights were like super easy to take off. It only took like 5 minutes. I'm just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with these fog light wires. I think I'm going to try and zip tie them up here and just sort of keep them out of the way of like water and stuff in case I ever want to put the fog light back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a really free and easy mod you can do to your Genesis. I mean, even if you don't have the fog lights, even if you have those little black covers, you can take those off as well and get the same sort of look. But I think this looks way more aggressive. I don't know about you guys, but I like this. But if you guys enjoyed the video, if you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.